Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Again, thanks to my partner YM Tech, I got to know the Redmi K30 in the first time. However, the unit we got is 4G version, while the 5G version of the Redmi K30 will be in another video. Make sure to check it out. Without further ado, let's get started. This handset is in red color, though Redmi has a fancy name for it. Red is red anyway. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM. Now, let's unbox it. To be honest, I kind of get bored of unboxing Xiaomi phones. They're almost the same. The first layer contains this paperwork, a phone case, a pen tracer. Then is the phone. The bottom is the charger and the cable. Let's take a closer look at the charger. The max output is 20 voltage, 1.35 amp, 27 watt. Supports QC 3.0 fast charge. Now let's get to the Redmi K30. As you probably know before, it adopts this dual hole punch design, the same as Galaxy S10 Plus. Thus, the screen-to-body ratio gets lowered down comparing to the Redmi K20. The chin also gets wider because the screen is LCD. Move to the back. Things get a little bit interesting as Redmi draws a circle around its rear quad camera. Looks like son of OnePlus 7 Pro and Huawei Mate 30. Do you like that? The main shooter is 64 megapixel camera, which debuts Sony's IMX686. Guess they will get widespread on next year's flagship phones. The bottom, it keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C port, and the speaker. However, I found some design flaw of the speaker. You see, when I'm playing the games, I put the phone horizontally, the sound gets muffled easily. Not sure why Xiaomi designs like this. On top is the noise cancelling mic and the infrared blaster. Another big change for the Redmi K30 is the support a side fingerprint unlock, and it integrated with the power button. It's just as fast and accurate as back fingerprint scanner as I've tested a few times. What impresses most is the 120Hz refresh rate. You can turn it on from the display in the settings. I highly recommend you choose 120Hz. It's just insanely smooth. I just made a simple comparison with the 60Hz refresh rate. From my experience, it's smoother in every way, from surfing the website or browsing your social media app, though it eats your battery faster than in 60Hz refresh rate. But you gotta know it comes with a 4500 mAh huge battery. Guess enough to handle those heavy tasks. Other highlights include the camera upgrade. The main camera, as I mentioned before, is 64 megapixel. Should deliver awesome photos. As time is tight, I have not taken many with it, but sure we'll post more later. Please subscribe if you haven't. And the processor is Snapdragon 730G. I wouldn't say it's a huge improvement from the previous Snapdragon 730. That's the video. To conclude, I'm not really impressed by the Redmi K30 4G, basically a huge upgrade from the Redmi K20, but the 5G version of the Redmi K30 series would be awesome, and that will be in my next video. Please stay subscribed. I'm Sami, see you next time.